Hey kids, I hope you all are doing good. And today we will start with a very important topic, which is multiplication table. So, in this module, basically, we will learn about the tables, that how we can use the skip counting method to find the tables of 2, 3, 4, and 5. But before starting with the tables, let us understand that why we need multiplication tables. Now suppose we have 5 boxes of chocolate. Can see 5 boxes of chocolate in front of you on screen, right? Now each box has 4 chocolate, 5 star, 2 5 star, 1 dairy milk and 1 Kit Kat. If we want to find total number of chocolates in 5 boxes, then what we need to do? We need to add, right? Add like 4 chocolates plus more 4 chocolates plus more 4 chocolates plus more 4 chocolates and plus more 4 chocolates. So like 4 plus 4 and then one more 4 and more 4 and more 4. So I need to add 4 5 times. Right? And this surely gonna take lot of time. Now, in such cases, knowing multiplication can save us a lot of time. Let us learn the multiplication table of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Solving this or counting number of chocolates with the help of multiplication table is gonna very easy. Let's see how. How many boxes are there? Very good. 5 boxes. And how many chocolates are there in each box? 4. Right. So we can just multiply these two numbers and we will get the total number of chocolates. Let's see. 5 fours are 20. You must be thinking how 5 fours are 20, right? So for this, let us understand tables, multiplication tables. So let us start with the multiplication table of 2. Nisha has 7 pairs of socks. Let us find how many socks are there in total. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So adding 2 7 times we got 14. So there are 14 socks. Now instead of using this addition method, we can also use skip counting method. Now skip counting by 2 starting from 2 help us to write the multiplication table of 2. Let's see how. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. And 2 sevens are 14. So we have 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14. So the number of socks can also be found by skip counting by 2. Okay, so let us understand this with the help of another example given in your textbook. So there are 9 groups of 2 balloons each. Oh, how many groups are there? 9 groups. And how many balloons are there in each group? There are 2 balloons in each group. So let us use the skip counting method to find the total number of balloons. So step 1 will be write the multiplication sentence. So we know that how we can write the multiplication sentence. In the last block we discussed about the multiplication sentence. So let us see how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 groups. And how many balloons are there in each group? 2. So, this is your multiplication sentence. 9 multiplied by 2 means 9 groups of 2 each is the multiplication sentence. Right? Now step 2 will be skip count or use the multiplication table. Now we know very well about the skip counting, right? So let us use the skip counting. Let's start from 2. 2 ones are 2, just 1 minute. Okay, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Skip one more 2 and 2 threes are 6. Skip one more 2 and 2 fours are 8. Skip one more 2 and 2 fives are 10. Skip one more 2 and 2 sixes are 12. Skip one more 2. Yes, 2 sevens are 14. And skip one more 2. 2 eights are 16. And skip one more 2. 2 nines are 18. Right? So, where we have reached now after skipping? Yes, we have reached 18. So, 2 nines are or 9 twos are 18. So, what is the answer? 18 balloons. I hope this is clear. You already know how to write the multiplication sentence, right? 9 groups of 2 balloons. So we wrote 9 multiplied by 2. This is the multiplication sentence. And how we can solve this table or how we can write this 2 multiplied by 9 by skip counting method, right? So after skipping counting, we have reached to the value 18. So 18 is our answer. I hope this is clear. So now if this is clear, then S2 is very easy for you. The same worksheets we will be discussing in the class also, in the live session. You can try this your own and the same we will be discussing in the live session also. So let us come to the lesson number 2, which is multiplying by 3. Now, skip counting by 3. Okay, as you can see a flashcard given on your screen. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 21 and so on. So, we can use skip counting method or multiplication table of 3 to find the number of cherries. Yes, let us see this example. Vinith gives 3 cherries each to 5 friends. 3 cherries each to 5 friends. Oh, 5 friends are there and each friend is getting 3 cherries. Now, let us find out how many cherries he give out in all. Let us understand this. So, first 3 cherries to first friend. Next 3 cherries to second friend. Next 3 cherries to third friend. Next 3 cherries to fourth friend. And next 3 cherries to fifth friend. So, we have 5 friends and we are giving 3 cherries to each. So our multiplication sentence is 5 multiplied by 3, right? So how many friends are there? 5 friends. And how many cherries are we giving to each friend? 3. So this is your multiplication sentence. Now let us see what is 5 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 5. You know 5 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 5, we will get the same result, right? because of the commutative property. This we have already discussed in block 11. Okay. So now let us see what is 3 multiplied by 5. So let's see. 3 ones are 3. Now skip 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now again skip 3. 3 threes are 9. Again skip 3. 3 fours are 12. Again skip 3. 3 fives are 15. So after skipping 3 5 times we have reached to 15. So I can say that 3 fives are 15. Okay, so we can skip count by 3 to find the total number of cherries. We see that Vinith gives out 15 cherries in all. So we can also write the multiplication table of 3 by skip counting, right? Let us see. Another example. Now, an art teacher gives each student 3 crayons. Wow, 3 crayons. Crayons are so colorful, na? How many crayons does she need for 7 students? How many crayons does she need for 7 students? Yes, read the question again. An art teacher gives each student 3 crayons. Okay, each student is getting 3 crayons. And how many total students are there? 7 students. Okay, let us do this first with the help of addition method. So, first student will get 3 crayons, right? Second student will get 3 crayons. Third will also get 3. Fourth will also get 3. Fifth will also get 3. Sixth student will also get 3. And the seventh student will also get 3. So we can add these 7 threes and we'll get the answer 21. This we have solved by using the method of repeated addition. But what we are learning here today? We are learning about the multiplication. So let us try to solve the same question with the help of multiplication table or skip counting method. So how many students are there? Yes, 7 students are there. And how many crayons are there for each student? 3 crayons. So can you just read the table of 3 and find what is 3 multiplied by 7? Let's do this with the help of skip counting method. Now let's see. 3 ones are 3. Skip 3, you will get 6. Skip 3, you will get 9. Skip 3, you will get 12, right? So let us do it with the help of a proper table. That 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. And 3 sevens are 21. Very good. So where have we reached now? We have reached 21. So 7 threes are 21. Right? So the teacher needs 21 crayons. I hope this example is clear, and also that multiplying by 2 and 3 is also clear. So we can use skip counting. We can also write the multiplication table of 3 by skip counting and also 2 by skip counting. Right? So if this is clear, then let's move to next worksheet, which is multiplying by 3. Now again the questions are very simple. Just try these questions your own, and of course in the live session I will discuss each and every question. Okay. Also, if you have any doubt or finding it difficult to learn the tables, then surely we'll give you some method. We'll show you some interesting videos related to how we can learn the tables. Okay. Now you know the concept behind the tables. So use that concept and try these worksheets. Now let's move to the next topic. Oh, multiplying by 4. Well, we know about multiplying by 3. We know about the multiplying by 2. So is multiplying by 4 tough for us? No, not at all. Multiplying by 4 is very easy. Just it's quite similar to multiplying by 2 and multiplying by 3. Again, we need to use the method of skip counting by 4. So, let's do this method. Start from 0, okay? Then skip 4, we reached 4. Skip more 4, we reached 8. Skip more 4, we reached 12. Skip more 4, we reached 16. So what is this? Well, this is a table of 4 itself. See, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, and so on. So in this way, we can write the multiplication table of 4. Just like we did for 2 and 3, we can quickly find the multiplication table of 4 by skip counting by 4. Right? So, let us understand this concept better with the help of an example. Now, example on your screen is Pooja has 5 baskets. She puts 4 apples in each basket. How many apples are there in all? So again, our first step will be to write the multiplication sentence. Always remember, first step will be to write the multiplication sentence, and second step will be to use the skip counting method or multiplication table. And we know both, right? So let's find the multiplication sentence for this. Let us understand the question also. Pooja has 5 baskets. Okay, that's good. And she puts 4 apples in each basket. Can you see 5 baskets on the screen? Yes, basket number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many baskets are there? 5. And how many apples are there in each basket? 4. Very good. So how many total apples are there? Can you count? Instead of doing the addition, we can just simply multiply 5 and 4 and we will get the answer. So 5 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 5 is one and the same thing, right? Why? Okay, if you are thinking why, then let us revise the commutative property. That 5 multiplied by 4, which states that 5 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 5, we will get the same product. If we multiply two numbers in any order, we will get the same product. Right? Only the order of the numbers has been flipped. So this is called commutative property. So 5 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 5, we will get the same answer. So now let us see what is 4 multiplied by 5. For this we can use, yes, you are right, we can use skip counting by 4 or also we can use the multiplication table. So let us do it. So we have, let's start from 0. 4 zeros are 0. Then skip 4 and 4 ones are 4. Skip 4 and 4 twos are 8. Skip 4 and 4 threes are 12. Skip 4 and 4 fours are 16. Now again skip 4 and 4 fives are 20. Oh, I just said 4 fives are 20. Yes, you got the answer. 4 fives are 20. So how many apples are there in 5 baskets? We have 20 apples. So I hope this example is also clear. That first we need to write the multiplication sentence, and then we should know how we can multiply the numbers using skip counting method or simple multiplication table, right? So if this is clear, then next worksheet, which is S3, gonna very easy for you all. So try this yourself and we'll discuss the questions in the live session. Next is lesson 4, that is multiplying by 5. Again, for this also, now we know very well. Just like we did for table of 2, for table of 3, for table of 4, we can skip count by 5 to find the multiplication table of 5 also. So let's do it. 5 ones are 5. Now skip 5. Oh, 10. So 5 twos are 10. Now skip 5. 5 threes are 15. Now skip 5. 5 fours are 20. And so on. Okay? So you already know that how we can skip the numbers, right? Skip counting by 5, 4, everything we know. So let us understand this with the help of an example now. So the example is there in front of you. There are 9 boxes and each box has 5 balls in it. How many balls are there in all? Quite interesting question. Now pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Always remember, the first step will be to write the multiplication sentence. Can you write the multiplication sentence for this? I know you can. That's good. So what we can do? Just pause the video, try to answer yourself. You can write in the comment box or you can just do it in your rough notebook also. Okay? Okay, so now I hope you have solved this example. So let us discuss. First step is to write the multiplication sentence, which is the key step. So there are 9 boxes. How many boxes? 9 boxes. And each box has 5 balls in it. How many balls are there in each box? 5. So what is the multiplication sentence? We can just multiply these two numbers, 9 boxes and 5 balls. So 9 fives are 45. Oh, I told you the answer. Sorry. So we can use the skip counting method or multiplication table of 5 to find out the total number of balls, right? So which method you're finding easy? Skip counting? Right? Because skip counting is the origin of the tables. That how we are writing tables? By using which method? Skip counting method. So let us do it again. So what we are finding, what we want to find here? That 5 nines are. So what is the value for 5 multiplied by 9? What is the product for this? Let us solve. 5 ones are 5. Skip 5. 5 twos are 10. Skip 5. 5 threes are 15. Skip 5. 5 fours are 20. Skip 5. 5 fives are 25. Skip 5. 5 six are 30. Skip 5. 5 sevens are 35. Skip 5. 5 eights are 40. Skip 5. 5 nines are 45. Finally, we reached 5 nines of 45. So our answer is 45. Right? So there are 45 balls in all. Now with this, I hope multiplication table or skip counting by 2, 3, 4 and 5 is clear to you all. First step will be to write the multiplication sentence and second step will be using the skip counting method or multiplication table to find the total number. Right? So if this is clear, then I guess multiplying by 5 is again very easy. Right? I know you all can do it, but still just try this, and in the live session I will take your doubts and also I will take the worksheets. Okay? So with this I'll end this session here. Bye bye. Take care. Practice.